Hello everyone, today we will study about area and perimeter of rectangle. Look around you and spot the objects that look like a rectangle. So some common examples include books, mobile phones, the TV screens, doors, windows, the tables, the mirrors, the picture frames, and the notebooks. So do you know how to find their area and perimeter? Don't worry, I will tell you about that. In this video, we will be learning about area of rectangle and the perimeter of rectangle. We will also solve some questions related to area and perimeter of rectangle. Let's learn about rectangle first. Rectangle is a quadrilateral. That means it has four sides and it has four right angles. That means there are four angles of measure 90 degree. There are two pairs of parallel sides, and these parallel sides have equal measures. The sides of longer length are called length, and the side with smaller measures are called width. Area on a grid. So what is a grid? A grid has vertical and horizontal lines that form a square. Each square has measures 1 unit square. Okay. Let's use this grid to understand area and perimeter better. The area of this rectangle will be very easy to find using a grid. You just need to count all the squares inside this rectangle to know the area of this rectangle. Here, the number of squares inside this blue area are 35. So the area of this rectangle will be 35 units square. To find the perimeter, we will count the number of squares in the boundary. Just count the outline to find the perimeter. Here the number of squares in the outline are 24. So what is the difference between area and perimeter of rectangle? Area is the amount of space inside the rectangle, and perimeter means the boundary. The total distance around the outside of rectangle is the perimeter of rectangle. To calculate the area of rectangle, we simply multiply the length by width of the rectangle. And to find the perimeter, we simply add up all the four sides. Since the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, the simplified formula is 2 bracket length plus breadth. Here we have interesting question to solve. The question is, let's find the area and perimeter of this basketball court. This basketball court is in the form of a rectangle. It has length and width. The length is 15 meter and the width is 11 meter. So the area will be length into width. 15 into 11, that will be 165 meter square. And for the perimeter, 2 into length plus width, 2 into 15 plus 11, 2 into 26, it will be 52 meter. Let's quickly review what we have learned about area and perimeter of rectangle. So, perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the rectangle, like the length of a fence you would need to enclose it. The formula is 2 into length plus width. Just add the length and the width, then multiply it by 2. Then area. Area is the space inside the rectangle, like how much carpet you would need to cover a floor. The formula is area equal to length into breadth. Simply multiply the length by breadth to find the area in square units. Closing line for recap. Remember, perimeter is about boundary and area is about the space inside. These simple formulas can make solving problems quick and easy.